Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying essentials so development runs smoothly. Install Flutter SDK 3, X and Dart, then confirm with Flutter version. Configure Android and iOS toolchains and launch an emulator or connected device. This avoids runtime surprises. Once done, clone the Dandy's World repository and open it in your IDE. Make sure to run Flutter pub get to fetch packages. This readies dependencies, so you can build immediately and move into implementation without wasted time. You now dig into the codebase, inspect main, Dart to map widgets, routes, and state providers so you understand data flow. Begin implementing one feature at a time and use hot reload to iterate rapidly. This reveals UI mismatches early. Once you add logic, write small tests, and use Flutter dev tools for widget inspection, timeline, and memory profiling to catch regressions. Make sure to commit granular changes. This preserves a clear history and makes reverting or debugging far easier. You complete the process by building release artifacts. Run Flutter build app or iOS and test on a physical device to validate performance and permissions. Once stable, configure CI pipelines to run tests, linting, and automated builds so releases stay consistent. If something breaks, reproduce the issue, collect Flutter logs, and use a binary search across commits to pinpoint regressions. This saves hours versus guessing. Finally, document the fix and update README so the next developer can avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.